That's how it's gonna look like. Soaked my pasta in hot water. Hapa nimeweka pasta yangu, sitaki kuichemsha, in hot water to soften up. Then I'll put it in between a cloth, and my sauce is ready to spread. I'm going to grate my cheese now. So my cheese was marble, mozzarella, and Monterey Jack. That is what I will find. Use whatever you can find. And then the ricotta mix was ricotta, 1 tab, 2 eggs, a handful, 2 handfuls of Parmesan cheese, and black pepper mixed together. So that is what you're going to use. Butter your dish ready, and then you start your layering. And you'll see I've put some notes here on the screen on how to layer from the first layer to the last layer. And then after that, I put a layer of sauce, a layer of pasta, and then after the pasta, I put some ricotta mix, and then followed by the mozzarella and the marble cheese sprinkle on top. So I kept on doing that until I got to the top, depending on how many strips of pasta you have. And then finally I finished it off with a layer of noodle and sauce, and a final layer of cheese sprinkle on top. So here you can see I have my cheese. I had grated it and everything. I really apologize for that video. I don't know what happened. I don't know, maybe it got deleted by mistake. So ndio nina sprinkle hiyo cheese yangu hapo. Hiyo sasa ndio ile final layer ya mwisho. Making sure that everything is coated. And also with the sauce, you can make it how you want, right? How you always make your original pasta sauce for your spaghetti and stuff. So mine, I made it the Costarian way. If you're from Mombasa, Kenya, you know what I mean. Yeah, I let it really cook down so that it can bring out the rich flavor of the sauce, so that you're not tasting raw tomato, crushed tomato kind of sauce in your mouth. Yes, so with those spices, there was turmeric, there was Jamaican curry powder, there was salt, mustard, there was thyme in it, and just as you can see, how I have arranged all the spices, meat seasoning, everything, all the hullabaloo. And then also, guys, don't forget, cover it with a clean your foil, and oil it with a little bit of oil. Any favorite oil will do. Here I used my olive oil, and then just rub it on the foil. So when you cover your casserole dish, the cheese is not going to stick. So hopefully this oil that I used is going to be enough, because I'm really trying to avoid getting my lasagna too oily. And then set your oven at 375 degrees, and then put it in and bake it for 30 minutes. That is how it's burbling and looking so lovely and yummy. Then take it out, and then now you're going to remove the foil, and then you can broil it for 8 minutes at 525 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on what oven you have. In this case, this is a Whirlpool. Yeah, so I broiled it so that the cheese can be golden and crusty and crackling and, you know, crunchy and very yummy on top. So this is how it should look after 30 minutes. I also don't want to dry out the pasta too much. So all these oils, most of them are coming from that lamb, because you really cooked down. If you really cooked down your sauce very well, this is how it should look like. As you can see, browning on top nice. Na hiyo ndio lasagna, mnaona tayari iko tayari, imeiva. Nategemea na ile rangi unapenda. Na ndio hiyo imeiva kabisa. Lasagna is ready, as you can see. Bubbling hot. So after the 30 minutes, we uncovered it, removed the foil, took it out, put it aside, and then let it broil at 525 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 to 9 minutes. Just eyeballing, open the oven and keep on checking. to the golden brown color that you prefer. And this is the golden color I prefer, na hii ndio rangi ninapenda ya golden brown ya lasagna. Nikacha ikae nusu saa to lisali moja kabla hamjakula. Let it sit half an hour to 1 hour before you eat it. From Roselyne Mwagodi's kitchen to your kitchen, karibuni sana, na upendo niko kupika. From my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy and welcome again. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so that it can alert you when I have new videos. Now it's bye for now. Bon appetit. Also find me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for everything. Bye-bye. Peace.